how to buy official Cristiano Ronaldo token. So this token came under the symbol of CR7. So as you know, this is a known footballer called Cristiano Ronaldo. He has just released his token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefit. Check them out in the description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. So this is the official website of that footballer. So to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, this token is available on the screener. It created 2 hours ago and increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlock 100%. That's good. That's made an investment in the safe place. So this token is trending #1 in section of Solana index screener. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here as you can see. Now open your funds wallet. For that, I will log into my wallet. So after that, what you need to do, just click on swap here and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Now click on it. And now what you need to do, just type how much you want to buy. So as you can see here, you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy CR7 token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.